Today's death toll for coronavirus tied the deadliest day in Dallas County with 10, and today also had the most coronavirus cases for one day. All of this happening as restrictions being loosened, leading county health leaders to urge everyone to continue to use precautions. In a few days, customers will be inside malls, restaurants, and retail stores deemed non-essential. The decision to partially reopen parts of the economy on Friday comes as Dallas County reported its worst numbers yet.
Unfortunately, today is our deadliest day of COVID thus far, and also it is our biggest day of new COVID cases thus far.
135 COVID-19 cases were reported Tuesday. 10 people died. And at Parkland Hospital in Dallas, an increase in COVID-related hospitalizations and patients going into the ICU.
In terms of the numbers of patients that are coming in sick enough to be admitted to the hospital, in terms of the patients who are being admitted to the hospital or sick enough to require intensive care and mechanical ventilation, those numbers have been going up pretty significantly for us over the last 7 to 14 days.
In Dallas County, the last 2 weeks saw the county's worst in terms of cases, followed by 1 week of better numbers. This week, it started off worse than last. Dr. Phil Wong with Dallas County Health and Human Services says the county needs 2 weeks of consistent reduced numbers to show the spread is slowing.
The numbers increasing are certainly worrisome.
County leaders are using Facebook location data to track people's movements. When the stay-at-home order went into effect last month, foot traffic dropped. It's since gone up.
Because of some of these activities, you can see at the end, most recently, some of these activity levels are starting to go back up. And that reinforces what the judge was saying, how important it is for everyone to really look at what practices, as things are opening up, to really understand the importance of continuing to practice the physical distancing, to be wearing the masks.
Dallas County Judge Clay Jenkins, who has had some tension with Governor Abbott over recent weeks, called the governor's plan a decree, saying he does not believe restaurants and retails should be open to 25% capacity Friday. But he does recognize the governor's order supersedes any local law.
We have not seen 2 weeks of decline. That's number one that the Trump administration and the CDC says you need before you loosen up the restrictions. And I'm not telling you this to second guess the governor. I'm telling you this because now it's up to you to make good decisions. It's up to you to decide what you want to do.
Today, in an interview with Fox 4, Dallas Mayor Eric Johnson told us that only 1% of Dallas County's 2.5 million residents have been tested for the coronavirus. He says there needs to be expanded testing in the county. Clarice.
Stephen Dial Live. Thank you.